This is the Arrma Senton 4x4, but this one is brushed, and be replacing the old electronics with brand new brushless ones, and also fitting a few upgrades. This will be the layout of the truck, so watch to the end so you don't miss out. So with this, there's going to be an upgraded casing with the metal. Going to be taking out all the gears and all the good stuff out of this, swapping into the new one, and using a brushless Valenian system into it. So with this, there's a plastic drive shaft holder, and with this there's an upgrade, the aluminum one that comes with the bearing, since that one is missing. And hold the drive shaft itself, here it is right here, and he's putting that right into here. Just some straps to hold on to the battery and the chassis spine block. No! Next video, we'll be testing it to see how fast it really goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.